Bundling cables is often quite a messy affair. You can always use tags like these to bundle cables, but when it comes to putting bundled cables together, it's quite difficult because either you won't find a tag that is this long, or you'll have to use a cable tie which you'll have to break off. So here is what I do. It's a simple solution. Take a piece of paper, fold it lengthwise into a small strip, keep it underneath the cable, wrap it firmly around the cable, take some cello tape and stick it, so that gives you a neatly tagged cable.